Next step, we're going to start to protect a few actions from our controllers so that only authorized users, only authenticated users can see those views and perform some of the actions. So we're going to be applying a basic authorization policy. To do that, let's go back to our codes and we're going to start to tie up security first of all on the order controller. So let's go to our controllers. On the order controller, we don't want to limit the use of our entire controller. So we're gonna pick and choose which actions of our controller will be restricted to only authorized users. The first one that I would think that the ability to view the orders would be only done by authorized people. So we can add the annotation here. So inside square brackets, we can add authorize as the annotation. Now, to use authorize, we have to use namespace called Microsoft ASP.NET Core Authorization. So it gets added to the top, and now we are fine here. So first one that we locked down was list. The other one, we're gonna lock down this action here as well. Mark shipped. We're gonna use the same annotation. Authorize. That's it. That's all in terms of the order controller. Let's save this. Let's strict now the access to admin controller. All methods, all actions inside the admin controller should be protected. So instead of protecting each action, each method inside the controller, we can apply the authorize right away to the entire class. So we can put at the top right before we declare our admin controller class. Again, we have to use the namespace at the top, which is Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Authorization. So by doing so, everything inside admin controller will be protected to only registered users. In this case, we just have one user. So this is enough. This is a very basic authorization model that we're using here. Now, how about we give it a try and see how this works once we run the application? Let's see if we can access and what will happen when we try to access admin features this time around. For instance, let's try to access the list of products, which can be seen or could be seen before under admin index. Let's see. See, now we have a status code 404 not found, and it's trying to redirect to a login view, which we have not created yet. So we are no longer able to access the admin specific areas because we are not authorized yet. We have not logged in yet. In the next step, we're going to be creating the view where we will be able to log in to the application so we can see the restricted areas.